Welcome back, friends. We have the Dow, S&P and Nasdaq down today, down but not out. The Dow is down 308 points, S&P is down 23 points, and Nasdaq down 28 points at the time of recording this video. But as we go into the latter part of the session, probably about, I would say, 2:15 or so, you may see some recovery that may come in the US markets. Nasdaq is down just nominally, a small point, but it's been a good a month for the US indices, which are at all-time highs, and some amount of profit taking has taken place, but I still feel that they should recover in the post 2:15 session or so. Gold continues to rally. It's up 27.35 on the back of rising geopolitical tensions, and silver is also up nicely, almost 34. All these are like decade highs, and that's something should make the precious metals fans quite happy. They should continue for some more time before the inevitable happens to them as well, right? It become an overcrowded field soon at a certain point of time, and that can cause impact on the precious metals as well. So friends, that's the scenario at this point of time, and we are looking at oil stabilizing with the Brent around $74 and the West Texas Intermediate at about $71 a barrel. The important thing that people may be missing out is that the 10-year Treasury bond is now yielding once again at 4.18%. It had come down to as much as 3.62%. So I think that's a sharp rise as the investors are all set to monitor the various Federal Reserve speeches because that's something which can impact the markets down the road. You have the Dallas Federal Reserve President Lori Logan saying that she supports the current move to lower interest rates, but that a patient approach will be needed. And we have Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari, Kansas City Fed President Jeff Smith, and San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly also giving their remarks. So let's wait and watch. Still, I feel some improvement could come in the latter part of today's trading on Wall Street. To get to know more about the US markets and predictions, do join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram groups, which give you a good overview of where the US markets are headed. And you can do that by WhatsApping us on 982-086-1044. For the Indian markets, you can join our Premium Value, which gives you 1 week predictions in advance, or the Premium Plus, which gives you 10 to 12 days predictions in advance. For both, same thing. You can WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. The Federal Open Market Committee, the FOMC, took the unusual step last month of lowering its baseline interest rate by 0.5 percentage point or 50 basis points. But let's hold the horses. There is also the US elections, which are around the corner, and if Donald Trump comes out victorious, then we see the tariffs going up, and tariffs go up, then the inflation will also go up. In which case the FOMC would be compelled not to reduce interest rates so rapidly. So it's going to be wait and watch, and I think November 5 will be an extremely crucial point. We have our predictions ready about who could win the elections and where the markets and how the US markets could get impacted. Do get in touch with us, and we'll tell you everything about where we believe the US markets are headed, and also where the global markets are headed from here. Happy investing. Have a nice investing day on Wall Street. Take care. Bye-bye.